I decided to fix the area around the windscreen. It wasn't looking that bad. When I took off the front windscreen, it's just a big hole here. Actually, this part is pretty okay. Just need to clean that and weld it, or maybe fill it. We'll see how it goes. But that's the way to go. Samurai is pretty healthy, but just that part is rusty. Yeah. See you in a bit. Starting a bit of cleaning. This inner section is rotten. Just need to do the proper clean coat and then weld the piece in. A bit of filler and screen back. I'd say if you hurry up, it's about 2.5–3 hours job. So now we have all welding done, and fill it with a metal putty, just epoxy metal filling. Now I have to do sand it off and just make it shape and paint it for the new screen. The job took about 2 hours, 2.5. Had some problem with the welder, but it's all got done and pretty good. You just have to make it the shape here. That's all plate welded in and fill it now. See you in a bit. All fixed around the windscreen, and the filler is dry, very dry. So we're going to sand it and make it a nice shape and paint it and put the windscreen back. Now. All nice and dry. So we have some filler sanded down, oxide primer on the metal, and I'll give it another sand, another bit of filler, and we should be ready to go. Say another hour job, just to make it smoother here. Just when you spray the primer on, you can, when you start sanding again, you can see the parts you need to fill correctly, just to make it shape. It's not too bad now. It's easy, really fix, but you need to know how to push out the windscreen just without cracking it. I usually use a screwdriver just to push it, seal around, push out, and then push out the screen. I show you when I'm going to fit it back. That's the part of the repair on the windscreen frame or surround. See you in a bit. Now you have to fit the screen on the bottom edge. I use a little bit of soap water to just lube around the edge on the bottom, and now you fit it like that on the top, and now you go inside. And what I use, I get a screwdriver. I have a screwdriver here. See, the top is repaired now nicely. Just little demonstration. I'm going to do you see, it goes nicely in, just like that. Pretty simple to put the windscreen on Samurai in and out, just like that, and all the way around, and it sits nicely on the corner, on the edges. You see. All right. Do another bit here. Pretty simple. That's just a trick for you guys. And all the way around. The Suzuki Samurais, I usually have the tendency to leak inside, so what I do, I usually put, when I fit the screen, I usually put a little bit of clear silicone around, and then after that I never have any issue with the water inside the car. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.